Kerala style veg thali. Prawn overall, it's a bit spicy. थोड़ा सा rice ले लिया. Some fish curry. कलर को देख के मुझे लग रहा है कि ये भी spicy हो सकता है. Colorful kokum sherbet. So today we're gonna try South Indian food, but not your regular dosa, idli, sambar, but authentic Kerala food at Mahabelly Canteen in Saket. So let's explore together.
Kerala meals, sapu mint curry, prawn fry, mint chutney.
So here is the Kerala style veg thali. We've got the Kerala red rice, famous Malabari paratha, beetroot pickle, pachadi, beans thoran, payasam, the iconic sambar, veg kurma, papadam, papad. So here are all the items that comes in the veg thali. For add-on, I've taken this Kerala style fish curry, and then for starters we've got some Kerala style prawn fry, and drinks mein humne liya hai this colorful kokum sherbet. So we've got this prawn, I think iska tempering, curry leaves, you could see some black pepper, mint chutney mein duba ke. I think the chutney was a bit tangy. Prawn overall is a bit spicy. थोड़ा सा rice ले लिया. Some fish curry. Piece fish ले लिया. कलर को देख के मुझे लग रहा है कि ये भी spicy हो सकता है. So boneless है tuna fish. So it has got temperings of mustard seeds, curry patta. Okay, the fish curry is very tangy, and the rice is very nutty. I could feel it very chewy and very nutty. I'm gonna crush the papad a little to add that crunchiness. Oh, it's spicy. So the spiciness hits later on. The papad is adding that nice crunch to the mixture. Try a little bit of the pachadi to tone down the spices from the curry. Thanda ho raha hai, I could literally feel the thandaness on my body. Thoda sa toran le lenge. This is stir-fried beans with coconut. I could see some mustards, curry patta bhi hai, beetroot pickle. Now what we'll do is we're gonna mix everything and eat. Nice. Next we're gonna try the famous Malabar paratha. This is the flaky. ओह देखो ना, मल्टी लेयर्ड परोठा. थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो गया इसलिए थोड़ा सा हार्ड हो गया. कोई नहीं. We want to try this with the, I think the fish curry. Yeah. बहुत अच्छा सा messy हो रहा. I think I'm eating with both my hands. मुझे जब खाना इतना अच्छा ही हो तो मैं दोनों हाथ का इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. Hi. Veg kurma. Oh, it's so thick and creamy. I think it has also got some coconut. I think coconut milk se bana. Now we're gonna try the sambar. थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो गया है. Very light. Now we're gonna try this colorful drink. This is kokum. Kokum, if you know, is a very tangy, I think it's a fruit, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. I thought it would be tangy, but it's a bit sweet. Very refreshing. Now we're going to try the payasam. I think it's sevaiya hai. And then we've got some dry fruits. I mean, it's so smooth. and it has got that right amount of sweetness. By the way, Mahabali Canteen has such a relaxed vibe, perfect for a comforting meal. The Kerala style Veg Thali is for 250, the fish curry is for 200, and honestly, for the quality and the amount of food that you're getting, it's super reasonable. I think it's totally worth coming here for the food. And if you're craving authentic Kerala style comfort food in Delhi, Mahabali Canteen is the perfect spot for it. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to Times Foodie. Bye.